These products were provided by naturallycurly.com and Curlmart. They are not currently sold at Curlmart. Reviewing today is the Three Sisters of Nature sulfate-free shampoo, which claims to have no petroleum, no mineral oil, no silicones, no alcohol, no formaldehyde, no parabens, and no waxes. Then I will be trying the leave-in conditioner. And this says the Cleaner Hair Products Care Products. And just styling, it says infuses moisture, seals cuticle, adds shine, and repairs damaged ends. The last item that I'll be reviewing is the Natural Curling Jello. And this says that you want to compare it to the Kinky Curly Curling Custard. So, my first impression so far, prior to even using it, is where's the conditioner? I see the shampoo, but I definitely need a conditioner when I'm doing my hair because that helps me to detangle while I'm in the shower. The shampoo consistency. The smell reminds me of almost the smell of a relaxer. Okay, so just washed my hair. I'm gonna go back to my original thought of my no conditioner. The shampoo felt like it kind of did not help me get any of my tangles out. As we saw when I went in, I already had some tangles going on. So the shampoo almost kind of matted my hair a little bit. So of course I used my own conditioner. But we see all the jokes everywhere about a curly girl buys 1 bottle of shampoo and 10 bottles of That's because we need our conditioner. So that would be my first just little complaint. But let's get on to the rest of the review, and hopefully the rest of the products are going to wow me. So, not that the shampoo didn't wow me. My hair feels clean, but I need my conditioner. I need my conditioner. So, okay, next. The leave-in conditioner. Despite what everybody may think, a leave-in conditioner and an in-shower detangle my hair conditioner are not the same thing. Leave-in conditioner, we're going to leave in. That conditioner helps us to detangle, and well, you guys know the rest. So, anyways, leave-in conditioner. Consistency, it's a little bit watery. Smell, very perfumey, very perfumey. So, I'm going to just smooth a little bit on first. And I'm gonna do my hair in pieces this time just to try to get a lot more definition, because I haven't had any definition this week. And hopefully this product is going to assist me in getting more definition, because I'm in a definition type of a mood. I'm going to be somewhat heavy-handed with the leave-in because my hair is just kind of felt a little dry right now. The leave-in conditioner had a nice slip, so it made it really easy to apply to my hair. Okay, so the Natural Curling Jello. And again, it's compared to the Kinky Curly Custard. So, let's try this. Very gel. Gelish. Doesn't feel as thick as the Kinky Curly, but and if you've watched my videos from like a year ago, you've seen where I kind of do this. Let's go on to the rest. Some pieces I do a little bit bigger, some pieces I do smaller. But you don't want to do all big in one area and all small in one area because it just doesn't look quite as nice. And I'm not using a whole lot here. It goes on nicely, very smooth. I can see why it's compared to the Kinky Curly in reference to just the application. I wanted you to see the first side done so you can see kind of the difference between the ones I defined and the ones I haven't. So I'll be back for the second part. Done clipping, not done clipping, I'm sorry, done twisting. So what I'm going to do now is seal my ends and then clip. Just so it's not hanging in my face like Shaggy Dog. So I'm going to go ahead and let this dry and I'll be back to show you the end results. Let's see. Okay, my hair took forever to dry. I think almost 4 hours. And it's still a little bit damp, but it's probably because I used so much leave-in. So anyways, let's go ahead and take the clips out. So I will say that so far the upside is that I don't have any flaking. And that's really, really good and really important for me. Now I'll just go through and kind of separate some of the curls without messing them up too much. It dries very nicely. It's not too hard and it's not too stiff, so I really, really appreciate that in a product. I'm going to go ahead and finish styling and I will be back to show you my end results and give you my final thoughts on the product. Tomato, tomato, apple. Hey, say tomato. Say tomato. Tomate. How about apple? Manzana. So here's the end results. I absolutely love the product. I didn't get any flaking. It coats your hair really well so you don't feel as though it's going to frizz out later on in the day. Again, no flaking was pretty awesome with all of the tampering that I've been doing with my hair. It still held everything really nicely. My only complaint, of course, is the fact that it does not have a conditioner. I've already mentioned it over and over again, but conditioner is huge. Conditioner is huge. So yeah, these products are provided by naturallycurly.com and Cromart. Really affordable price range. I think everything ranges about $12 per item. No, the online. The Curling Gelato was $9.99. The leave-in conditioner appears to be about the same price, and then one other product that I received, the shampoo, was $12.99. So it's affordable compared to a lot of other stuff that's on the market. It works really well. I have no complaints. Would I repurchase? Absolutely would repurchase the leave-in and also the the curling jello. So thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.